Maghreb. Now is a huge opportunity to have local Moroccan and Algerian crew with a Cyprus flag because it does endorse both countries. There is a huge young population and there is good seafarers and bad seafarers, there is good CEOs and there is bad CEOs around the planet. And the advantage of having local Maghreb container trading ships with local Maghreb crew is that this is the cost of travel. Now that the petrol price is going up 100%, and now that many are not going to move away from the pyramid policies because they have invested so much in Asia maritime schools and training and so on. But if you, the container Maghreb trading ship owner, think about Candina, Maritime Labour Convention, ISO, we have Adonis, we have Green Spectre. Perhaps we are not going to be one of those big, huge software that is going to charge you 100,000 euros for your fleet of 5 or 10 for this big, huge software for the technical crew. But perhaps with the Adonis, we can pay something like 3,000 euros or $3,000 per year for your fleet of 20 container ships trading Maghreb. And we can really have AI Copilot Microsoft systems for the KPI, key performance indicators with alarms, yes, electromagnetic alarms. So we can know what is the retention, what is the variance of the budgets, what is the long-term promotions, how many crew we are not satisfied with the operations. And so really it is really the opportunity today, the container ship owner, if you are a private and you can make a decision, you don't have to call the board or these kind of really complicated issues. Candina is a private company, so I think it is a huge opportunity because I already made a decision. If you made a decision, it is a huge opportunity because imagine 25 container fleet within the Mediterranean waters trading to the Maghreb. This is the budget for your travel. Imagine if a container ship has like 50,000 euros per year or $60, imagine times 10, that's 600,000 or $1 million budget for travel because your current supplier is not going to change the pyramid policy. If you adapt today, we can do it together. Thank you, bye. And also we have Europeans that are ready to sail for the container ships within a non-war area. This is a huge opportunity. Thank you, bye.